Hello and welcome to the Hero Live Show. My name is Pauly and this is Dan. Today we're going to talk about something that has affected all of us for much of our lives, and that is chores. It's even the word chore has this emotive kind of response that shudders up our central nervous system, because it's primal. It comes back to early childhood memories, but stuff needs to get done around the house, right? And if it doesn't get done, and I know I've experienced this myself, it kind of festers, and it's a constant reminder because your home is your environment, right? And every time you step into a place that you've committed to being able to remedy or clean and you haven't, it's just a constant reminder that you are not following through on integrity. And it's also a constant reminder that you promised the people around you that you would do it and you haven't followed through on it. So there's this constant kind of triggering associated with it. And I think you guys all know this if you've been in this cycle. There's a trust element. If you don't do it, the mess continues to build up. Trust elements continue to kind of disintegrate. And ultimately, at some stage, you need to be able to commit to being able to do it and actually follow through with it. Dan, have you had any issues or experiences with this with your home life?
Absolutely. I think about the late nights, being up with the kids and just trying to make my way through the house. And if, the chores haven't been done, I'm tripping over something, I'm stubbing my toe, I'm banging my knee, I'm falling over myself. Like, this happens regularly. There is so many great solutions. But like you said, it's about trust, it's about integrity, it's about a daily practice of committing to what needs to be done. And that doesn't have to look like just, the parents of the house. The kid involvement is so key too. And there's so many great skillful ways and solutions to make it more enjoyable. Because like you said, when you think about chores, like the hairs on the arms start to stick up, probably not in the most beneficial and positive way, because something needs to be done. But it just doesn't have to be like that. And there are so many solutions in place. We're working with so many dads and parents and couples, with kids that are young and kids that are a bit older, but consistently and generally, this is a theme that is threaded through any age demographic, and any family context.
And like you said, it can be the breakdown of many family domestic environments, but it can also be the building up and the vehicle to be able to create stickiness and bonding between a family household. So if you're finding something as you might think chores is something that is relatively trivial, but like you can use that to really, really be the gel and the glue in your family. And if you want to find out how to actually be able to do something like that, we'd love to have a call with you to be able to use anything around your day-to-day life to be able to create a bond between you, your partner, and your kids. And, we have the booking link in the notes below, and we'd love to just have a chat with you, start with where you're at right now and understand how we can take those first steps to be able to create that bond.
Love it. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, Paulie.
Thanks, guys.